Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode is going to be the first one of this entire series in Morocco. This is my first time to Morocco and I'm really excited to be here. My friends, my group of friends and brothers has been telling me that Morocco is a very nice place, very beautiful. So I'm here as the request of them and to check out this city. So right now we have just reached a secret place at this top of the hill. And we are at this street vendors getting some of this local mint tea to have it. The timing right now is actually pretty cold in the morning. So having a hot mint tea actually helps to fight off the cold, because right now we're at pretty high up at the altitude and the breeze is huge. The weather is pretty cold. Now, the reason that we are at this area is to hunt for the best view ever in the city. So let me show you guys. It's a great stretch of the sea view, and if you look properly, at the opposite is actually Spain. And something that shocked me is that the guards here along the riverside, they are riding on horses. Like, how cool is that, right? These two guards has been very kind for me to film them, and they are patrolling this area on these two horses. I think it's really awesome for them to just walk by chilling over. I would really love to ride on one of these horses. It looks really like so cool, man. So for friends who are observant, if you have realized what I said just now, that we are just opposite Spain, and yes, with this area is actually at Tangier area. This is part of the Morocco side near the sea. Is totally just beside Spain, and the thing I like about this area is its weather is stunning. Look at the sky, there's no clouds here, it's totally sky blue. Okay, and the weather is very nice. It reminds me of the time that I had at Dubai. It is like very similar here. The only difference is there's a lot of lush green all around and lots of seawater, and I really love the vibe that is giving off here. Another impressive view here is we have passed by a whole stretch of yachts. Wow, the people here is really enjoying life here. And for friends who love fishing, I think this place is definitely built for you guys. Moving on, we are going into like the mountain area. It's a total 180 degrees turn. Suddenly everything is lush and green. Of course, there's still the seaside, but there's also some ninja vans here that's hidden in the trees that's selling some food and snacks. So be sure to look out on it. Later, you will spot them looking at all this patch of grasses, and I totally felt right that this is a very nice area to have your picnic at. Up in the hill is some villa that has been around, and I totally felt right that the view there is going to be stunning. Lots of seabird around. I think it's going to be pretty noisy too, of course. Imagine like this kind of area with this kind of sky. You're waking up in the morning and having such a great weather beside the sea view. This sounds really nice. I really fell in love with Tangier with this entire surrounding already. And look at here, we have just arrived at Telestate Pahesu. This spot is especially popular with tourists. Lots of people will come here, hang around by the old cannons, taking photos, videos, while they're watching the ship to pass by the seaside. It was a very nice place for people to hang out, and inside it is going to be more impressive. Lots of movies is filmed inside and around this area, and you can be sure right that the later episode of my series I will be checking the scenes inside. Don't forget to look at more of my videos in this Morocco series. So we have exit the mountain and the seaside. We are more walking towards the township right now. I'm really excited to explore more inside Morocco area. After all, this is just my day one here. And if you want to check out more on what I'm gonna eat later, some Morocco food, or maybe more views here, be sure to subscribe and keep viewing.